How to replace the rear wiper blade on 2001 Toyota Highlander. And what you need to do is go ahead and take off the wiper arm cap. Mine's missing, and therefore that will let you pull the arm all the way out. All you gotta do is just pull this blade out, and all you just do, it's got a resistant, you just keep pushing it out. So basically you pop it off, just kind of pull onto it. You might need two hands onto it. The thing that really holds the blade is right here, so you want to just make sure it goes over the blade, and off it goes. Get your new blade on. You see a little pin there. Line up the pin, that goes right into here. So you want to line up the pin, just like so, and all you got to do is push onto it. Now obviously you'll need two hands. I don't think I can get it with here. Make sure that you in all the way or you'll have that problem. So just like so, and you're good to go. Don't forget to put your cap if you have one on there. And that's how you change the rear wiper blade on Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching.